you can create this type of sketch notes with Google Gemini in under a minute for free. So let me show you how to do this. First, you need to come over to your Gemini account, and after that, you just need to describe first about the topic that you're going to create sketch notes. For example, I'm just going to paste a command here with just list the most 10 essential keyboard shortcuts for Adobe Photoshop and explain what they do in 3 words or less. Your topic can be different, like if you want to create about your fitness or anything that is educational purpose like this, you can create it. First, you need to get the text from Gemini. So you just need to choose the thinking mode option here. Click on this thinking, and after that, just click submit. So after a couple of seconds, it gives me all the text for the essential keyboard shortcuts for Photoshop. Now I want to create a sketch notes from this for better remembering. So just go to the tools option, select create images, and after that, you just need to provide a prompt here. So I'm just going to paste the prompt. I'll give the prompt in my description box, so you can just copy and paste the prompt here. And after that, I'm just going to click on submit. And after a couple of seconds, it will give me a sketch notes using the nanobanana Pro. So as you can see, after a couple of seconds, our sketch notes has been ready for the Photoshop essential shortcuts. So this is very easy to create sketch notes like this. You can also create it with Gemini AI for free. Now I can download this for free. Just click on download and it will be downloaded on your PC. So that's it, guys. This is the video I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.